Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a YouTube banner in Photoshop, step by step. If you've ever wondered how other creators make those eye-catching headers that immediately grab attention, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to design a banner that fits perfectly, looks professional, and represents your unique style on your channel. Let's get started. First, it's absolutely crucial to begin with the right dimensions. For YouTube banners, the required size is 2560 pixels wide by 1440 pixels tall. Think of this as the canvas for your design. Starting with these specifics ensures your banner displays crisply on every device without any awkward cropping or pixelation. In Photoshop, go ahead and create a new document. Type in 2560 for width, 1440 for height, and make sure the resolution is set to at least 72 pixels per inch, higher if you want the best quality. Once your canvas is ready, it's time to add images or design elements that reflect your channel's vibe. These could be anything: photos relating to your content, icons, or even abstract shapes. Just drag in the images you want to use and position them around your canvas. You might need to resize or rotate them a bit to get the composition just right. Remember, you're not locked into anything here, let yourself experiment. If you're making a banner for a travel channel, maybe add a skyline or tropical shots. For gaming, try character graphics or controller icons. Just picture your banner as your channel's storefront, inviting viewers to step in. As you start customizing, take a moment with each element. Want to change colors or add effects like a drop shadow? Totally doable. Photoshop's layer styles and adjustment tools can help your images blend and pop, so play around until everything feels cohesive. Little tweaks go a long way, perhaps reducing saturation for a softer look or bumping up contrast for bolder visuals. Now let's add some text. You'll want this front and center, usually the name of your channel or a tagline. Grab the text tool, click on your canvas, and type out your banner demo text. Pick a font that matches your vibe, something bold for gaming, elegant for lifestyle, or playful for kids' content. Resize the text so it's easily readable but not overpowering the visuals. Here's a tip: try placing the text in the middle third of the canvas. That area is always visible on all devices, whereas the top and bottom may get cropped on smaller screens. For your background, maybe one solid color is enough, but let's add a gradient for extra depth. Select the background layer, then use the gradient tool to blend two colors, maybe a cool blue into purple or a warm orange into yellow. Gradients give your banner that modern, professional touch, helping the foreground elements really stand out. If the gradient looks too intense, lower the opacity or pick colors that are a bit more muted. Subtlety works wonders here. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You can lean into minimalism. Sometimes simple shapes and clean lines have the biggest impact, but really this is your space to be creative. Try different layouts, colors, or even effects like blur or transparency until your banner just feels right. So once you're happy with the result, save your design as a PNG file to preserve the quality, and you're ready to upload it straight to YouTube. Relax, your first attempt doesn't have to be perfect. You can always tweak and re-upload. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or need help with a tricky part of your design. And if you want more practical Photoshop guides and creative tips, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.